Welcome back to Family Life Daily Ideas. Today we will be reusing our McDonald's Happy Meals kids box. Yes guys, do not throw this away. It is not garbage. You can reuse it, you can recycle it, you can upcycle it. Follow along as we recycle this McDonald's kids meal box into a beautiful birthday centerpiece. Here are the items we will be using for this project. Today's theme, it's Sonic 2, the Sonic 2 movie. So the color for this party, basically it's all the different shades of blue. This blue streamer, we are going to fold it 2 times and fold it again and basically just cut little strips. Those strips will look like the strips on a piñata, similar to a piñata. This birthday table centerpiece, it's very cheap, very frugal and budget friendly to make. This can be a family activity. You can bring along and come along together as a family to create the birthday centerpieces. All you basically need is an empty glass bottle. You just wash it out and it's good as new. Some beads that you have laying around from your decorations from last year, and also some craft paper. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to subscribe for more. And please follow along as I show you how to do this beautiful and easy decoration. There you have it, a Sonic themed table centerpiece DIY. This was such a fun and easy project to make. Most of the items in this project were basically free, F-R-E-E. If it's free, it's for me. If this video was informative for you, please subscribe for more. And keep your creative minds flowing, and I will see you in the next video.